Okay, so real quick here, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a quick rundown of the fuzzy finder function that searches your app cache. Now, why would you want this? Well, because it's just awesome. So let's just say it's awesome, right? So go ahead and sudo su for root access, and then I'm going to go ahead and type in FCS app search. Just to give you a quick rundown of what it does, I'm going to go ahead and do FCS app search Python. So search all my Python packages. If I type in Python, you'll see they instantaneously come up. And you can install multiple packages. Now, this is just the info video, and this is for you guys that are searching keywords on the internet. You don't feel like watching a bunch of stuff. We're just trying to get to the solution. So I'm going to go ahead and give you the function here. Bat home user can actually, to get that function, let's see. Oops. Go ahead and get it put out here. Bat. Okay, so sorry, it's taking too long. So I'll go down, hunt this thing down. Okay, so here's the function, right? It's this right here. Paste it right there. You just push enter. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I will put that in the description for y'all. And if it helped you out, like, subscribe. Send me some Bitcoin, some money. I'm starving over here as usual. So anyway, out.